Good morning, respected sister and dear my batchmates. Myself Palak Singh from BSc Nursing second year. Now I am going to present my topic anti-emetic drugs. We will see the introduction of anti-emetic drugs. Anti-emetic drugs is a drug that is effective against vomiting and nausea. These are typically used to treat motion sickness and the side effects of some opioid analgesics and chemotherapy. Direct against cancer. Anti-emetic drugs act by inhibiting the receptor sites associated with emesis and sometimes necessary to suppress nausea and vomiting. And in severe cases where dehydration develops, intravenous fluid may need to be administered to replace fluid volume. Now we will see the types of drugs under the antiemetics. First is ondansetron and second is metoclopramide. Now we will see the ondansetron drugs. Ondansetron, the brand name of ondansetron is a Zofran, and ondansetron is a medication used to prevent nausea and vomiting caused by cancer, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, or surgery. Composition. Formula of the ondansetron: C18H19 N3O. Molecular weight is 293.4. Now we will see the action of the ondansetron. Antagonize 5S3 receptors. Ondansetron is in a class of medications called serotonin 5S3 receptor antagonist. It works by blocking the action of serotonin, a natural substance that may cause nausea and vomiting. Doses of the ondansetron: more than 12 years and adults IV. Prevention of chemotherapy induced emesis: 0.15 mg per kg 3 times per day, beginning 30 minutes prior to chemotherapy or 0.45 mg per kg once daily, or 8 to 10 mg 1-2 times per day, or 24 mg or 32 mg once daily. Treatment of hyperemesis gravidum: 8 mg administered over 15 minutes every 12 hours, or 1 mg per hour infused continuously for up to 24 hours, IM or IV. Route of the ondansetron: the recommended intravenous dose of ondansetron is 8 mg, administered as a slow injection in not less than 30 seconds. Indication of the ondansetron: first is radiotherapy induced vomiting, chemotherapy induced vomiting, and the last is post operative vomiting. Next is contraindication of ondansetron: not to have hypersensitivity like anaphylaxis to ondansetron or any of the components of formulation, receiving concomitantly apomorphine due to the risk of profound hypotension and the loss of consciousness. Adverse effects of ondansetron: headache, malaise or fatigue, constipation and diarrhea. Side effects of ondansetron: headache, constipation, weakness, tiredness, chills, and drowsiness. Role of nuts in ondansetron: post-operative nausea and vomiting, 4 mg as a single dose approximately 30 minutes before the end of anesthesia. Nuts should be teach the patient possible side effects and adverse symptoms to report. Now we will see the second, metoclopramide. Metoclopramide is a medication used for stomach esophageal problems. It is commonly used to treat and prevent nausea and vomiting. It is also used to treat migraine and headache. Next is action of the metoclopramide. The antiemetic action of metoclopramide is due to its antagonist activity at D2 receptors in the chemoreceptors trigger zone in the central nervous system. This action prevents nausea and vomiting. Next is composition of metoclopramide. Molecular formula: C14H22 CIN3O2 and molecular weight is 299.79. Doses: chemotherapy induced emesis IV 1 to 3 mg per kg 30 minutes before chemotherapy and repeated every 2 hours for 2 doses, then every 3 hours for 3 doses. Post-operative nausea and vomiting IM IV and 10 to 20 mg near end of surgery. Next is route. The solution can be administered intravenously or intramuscularly. Intravenous doses should be administered as a slow, at least over 3 minutes. Next is indication of the metoclopramide. First is chemotherapy induced vomiting, and second is post-operative vomiting, third is dyspepsia, and the last is GRD. Now we will see the contraindication of metoclopramide: hypertension to any component of formulation, and GI obstruction, perforation or hemorrhage. And next is pheochromocytomia and hysteroseizures. Adverse effect of metoclopramide: insomnia, headache, confusion, dizziness, and mental depression. Side effects of metoclopramide: headache, confusion, restlessness, sleepiness, exhaustion, dizziness, trouble sleeping. Role of nuts in metoclopramide. Nuts vital signs should be monitored during IV administration. In patients should use safety measures. Example: side rails up, call light within reach, and caution patient to call for assistance with ambulance. Okay. Thank you.